Since the beginning of time, from those very first moments when conscience was born to mankind, there started an ancient quest, uniting the hearts of men everywhere alike. The quest for purity. The year was 1945, the end of the pre-independence era, when India was fraught with tension and strife. Two friends, Prakrithinath Bhattacharya and Panchanan Mandal, brought to the Indian people a new brand of purity, Shalimar. As the years went by, faith in the purity of Shalimar's coconut oil spread all over the Indian subcontinent. The people's demand prompted the founders to build a large capacity plant in the suburbs of Kolkata. But very soon, that was not to be enough. The company acquired extensive areas of rich coconut plantations in South India. And there came up the second large capacity plant in Hyderabad. In the lifetime of Prakrithinath Bhattacharya. And over the last 6 decades, the brand has continued to grow, ever widening its horizons. A third plant came up in Haridwar, bringing Shalimar to northern India. Shalimar had finally arrived. To this date, Shalimar's coconut oil remains the household word it always was, the market leader in eastern India. But the company never rested, always foraying into ever-diversifying pastures. The 90s saw Shalimar spread its quest into a variety of other products, setting new standards of quality, pledging to bring purity to the kitchens of India. In 1995, the markets were flooded with Shalimar's chef spices. Each ingredient was chosen from the finest fields. State-of-the-art technology was crafted to fully retain the freshness and purity of the spices throughout the processing and packaging chain. The response was tremendous. Shalimar's chef spices became an immediate success. The market leader in eastern India. In the next 5 years, it was time for yet more as the world celebrated the new millennium. Yet another product was Shalimar's gift, Shalimar's mustard oil. The rich aroma and purity of Shalimar's mustard oil soon became a must-have standard in all Indian kitchens, capturing a prominent 12% share in Eastern India alone. 2009 saw Shalimar bring to its people yet another offering of pure tradition, Shalimar's Jasmine, a medicated hair oil bred from the ancient Ayurvedic disciplines. Throughout these last 6 decades, Shalimar has reigned over the Indian markets through a bond of love and trust that no other brand has been able to evoke. The small 2-room production unit is today a sprawling corporate headquarters in Kolkata, strategically overseeing the sales and distribution operations. From here has evolved as many as 20 separate branches all over India, manned by a well-trained and aggressive team devoted to the company's vision. In a continuous research and development program, highly skilled professionals working in Shalimar's laboratories equipped with the most updated technology, are continuously churning out fresh methods and initiatives and ensuring stringent quality control. Amidst the footprints of mankind's quest for purity, Shalimar has left its own special mark, making its very own place in the hearts of the people. A shining force guiding its people into a future of promise.